After more than 16 hours of research and testing, the best compass for hiking is the Kamenga 27CS Linsata compass. It is super accurate with an easy-to-read dial and sight tab to lock in your compass readings, and works equally well in extremely hot or cold temperatures. There are many products available to choose from best compasses for hiking, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best compasses for hiking from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AFR AF 4580 Military Compass. This military compass is very durable, encased in zinc die-cast aluminum which is wear and scratch resistant. It is also waterproof and shake-proof, a must when out in the wilderness. Dials are easy to read, glowing in the dark at nighttime for improved visibility. Like the number 6 Poster IP65 compass for hiking, it also comes with a sighting lens that helps measure elevation angles, used to determine the height of various landmarks, e.g. hills, making it especially useful for hunters. Kudos for coming with an included waterproof pouch, lanyard, and a carabiner, making it a great starter set for beginner hunters. And if you want to hunt or work with ease at night, use the best headlamp. Number 2. Proster IP65 compass for hiking. This hiking compass is very durable, consisting of an aluminum metal case and lid to protect the dial plate. It also boasts an IP65 waterproof rating, which means it can be exposed to occasional water splashes with no issues, including accidental drops in a river or lake. Kudos for being easy to read with a glow-in-the-dark arrow and dial. We really like this hiking compass's utility, with 2 graduated scales for centimeters, and plotting to measure distance on a map. The sighting clinometer also measures slope angles in degrees from a 0 to 90-degree range, which is especially useful on rugged terrain. If you're worried about being able to start a fire on your next camping trip, take a look at the best all-weather matches. Number 3. Boy Scout Compass for hiking. This hiking compass works best for beginner-level scouts who love to map. The clearly marked base plate includes a centimeter ruler, and the straight base plate edges also help orienteers draw lines and triangulate. It is also accurate to within 2 degrees, which is great. On the durability side, this hiking compass uses an acrylic base plate, which holds up well to heavy wear and tear. With no backlighting, we also recommend it for daytime use or accompanied by a flashlight. We love this hiking compass for beginners who are using a compass for the first time. Don't forget to bring along the best flying insect spray. Number 4. Orienteering Compass for hiking. This hiking compass is very easy to use. Like the Suunto A10, it uses a base plate with scale markings to plot on a map, along with a bright red travel arrow to point toward your destination, and a north-south orientation arrow to align the needle. The base plate is made using strong acrylic, which can withstand a drop or two without getting damaged. Thanks to this hiking compass's base plate, we like it for cartographic mapping, which works well while in survival mode out in the backwoods. Bonus points for including a lanyard, making it easy to hang on one's neck. Take this along on your next camping trip with your best 2-person tent, and you'll never be lost. Number 5. Suunto A10 New Hampshire Metric Compass for hiking. This Suunto compass for hiking is made using a jewel-bearing, steel needle, and a scratch-resistant acrylic bezel, measuring only 56 mm by 104 mm by 10 mm, making it easier to hang using the provided detachable lanyard. A red scale makes it easier to pin and read on any map. Accuracy is rock solid, reading to within 2 degrees. Although this hiking compass is durable, with operating temperatures down to -40 F, it does include a liquid capsule, which makes it prone to occasional bubbling, unlike our number 1 pick, the Kamenga 27CS. Thus, using a flashlight is highly recommended, as the dial contains no backlighting. Pack this along with your best water bottle, and you'll be ready for your next hike. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.